Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. It's your girl Tanika Dion and welcome back to my channel. Alrighty, now as you can tell by the title, today I did do a Valentine's Day look, as you can tell. And yeah, it's what I came up with by using the Glamlite cake palette, which I am really loving. I will insert some swatches of all the colors, as well as you know, once you go on you'll see all the colors that I use for this look today. But yeah, this is very Valentine-ish to me. And let me just bring you up a little bit. You guys, I feel like I'm so far back because my, you know, I put my hair in a ponytail and it feels like it's so high that you know, when I bring it closer, I'm out of the frame, or my hair is out of the frame, so it looks like my hair is cut off. It looks crazy, but I'm going to bring you in anyway, even though it's high. So alright, so yeah, that is the look that I came up with, and the deets for the rest of my face will be linked below, because as you'll see in the video, I did not, you know, show how I put on my foundation or what have you. I usually save those for my foundation Friday videos, which I'll be starting again soon. Not sure just when, but I will be doing those again. So yeah, if you would like to see how I came up with this very wearable Valentine's Day look, please continue to watch.